You were never meant to live this life on your own. You never meant to go solo. You haven't got the answer to the problem of human nature and selfishness and greed. And Jesus died on the cross. He wants to pour his love out on you. He doesn't reveal all your ugliness to put you down, but he wants to reveal it so he can deal with all those areas of our life, that depression, that worry, that anxiety, that anger, that unkindness, that cruelty. Say, God, come to me, reveal to me, open the eyes of my heart